In my childhood, I have broken a flower vase and I kept the broken vase very carefully. Something that by mistake the flower vase fell down from my hand. It's not like that I broke the flower vase intentionally. But when my mom watched it, she asked me, "Who has broken the flower vase?" First of all, in fear, I just simply denied. But after I admitted my mistakes, at that time my mom said to me, "If you make mistakes, it's okay, but always acknowledge your mistakes. If you don't admit your mistakes, then how to rectify your mistakes? How to learn from mistakes?" In this video, I am going to discuss about a very important chapter in our life. How do we learn from mistakes? My name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Mistake is not our enemy. Mistake is our friend. Every day somehow we make mistakes. Maybe when we are going to cook some new recipe, or when we are going to learn some new language, or when we are going to learn something new, we make mistakes. Because this is the part of learning. Right from our childhood till now, we are learning. Without mistake, we cannot learn anything. In every aspect, you may mistake if you want to learn something new. We make mistakes unknowingly, not intentionally. So don't be shy, don't be afraid if you are making mistakes. Initially, nobody is perfect. Even who are already fluent speaker, they also go through this chapter. Because this is the step of learning. We cannot jump the step. We cannot jump the stair. Being courageous, acknowledge your mistakes. Because mistake makes you perfect. Take a deep breath to admit your mistake. And speak out what comes in your mind. Because it's very important to bring out your fluency. If you always feel shy, if you always get fear to speak English for making mistakes, then how to enhance your fluency? How to expand your speaking skill? So split out your fear, your shy, and regardless of nattering what people think about your mistakes. You should matter to speak in English because you are committed to your goal. So you have to gain the goal. Suppose you are going to learn swimming, then you have to come down in water. If you don't wet your body, then how to learn swimming? Similarly, if you always feel shy for making mistakes and don't try to speak, then how to identify in which areas you need to improve? When we are going to cook some new recipe, first time do we make perfectly? No. Sometimes we make tasteless food, but gradually we improve, right? So don't be hesitated. It's not like that suddenly you start speaking and you are a fluent speaker. It's a long-term process, and every people who are learning a new language, they have to go through this process. You make mistakes, correct your mistakes, and learn from it. Again you make mistakes, you rectify your mistakes, and again you learn from it, and that's how you will be perfect. But never give up. I always make mistakes, so how do I speak? You know, easily we don't get anything, right? Practice more and more and more, because practice makes you perfect. And don't run away in fear for making mistakes. Accept your mistakes and go ahead with adventurous. That's all for today. If you like this video, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing, and please share with your friends. Let me know how did you like this video. I will see you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.